Good morning, my dear students. Have a nice day. Standard 3rd, subject English. Myself, Miss Alima Sheikh. So students, today we are going to learn a very new chapter. So here, the lesson number 7, Kasaba Jadhav. So students, I request to everyone to open your English Bal Bharati textbook. In that, you have to open the page number 13, means 1313. Chapter number 7, Kasaba Jadhav. So students, I hope everyone has opened the page number 13, right? Chapter number 7, Kasaba Jadhav. So students, first of all, I am going to give you a short introduction about Kasaba Jadhav. So, Kasaba Dada Saheb Jadhav was an Indian athlete. He is the best known as a wrestler who won a bronze medal at the 1952 Summer Olympics in Helsinki. Now, Kasaba Jadhav was born on 15 January 1926 in Satara and died on 14th August 1984 in Karad. Events is freestyle, weight is 54 kg. Parents are, as I told you, Dada Saheb Jadhav. Means the father of Kasaba Jadhav was Dada Saheb Jadhav. So students, before I explain you the lesson, students, first of all, I am going to read in a paragraph wise and I will explain you in a paragraph wise. Okay? So here, the very first line, chapter number 7, Kasaba Jadhav. Have you ever heard about the Olympics game? Sportsmen from many different countries of the world come together for the Olympic Games. A number of events are held. There are games, athletics events like high jump, long jump, running, gymnastics event, swimming and diving competitions, boxing and wrestling, matches and many other things. The winners are given gold, silver and bronze medals. An Olympic medal is an honor. An Olympic winner is considered to be a world champion. So students, now I am going to explain you the very first stanza. So here, have you heard about the Olympic Games? Students, क्या आपने कभी सुना है ओलंपिक गेम्स के बारे में? Students, now this is the symbol of Olympic Games. Sportsmen from many different countries of the world come together for the Olympic Games. A number of events are held. Students, ये ओलंपिक गेम का सिंबल है. पूरी वर्ल्ड से बहुत चैंपियन लोग आते हैं ओलंपिक गेम्स खेलने के लिए. और इस खेल में बहुत सारे इवेंट्स होते हैं. So students, as I told you, sportsmen from many different countries of the world come together for the Olympic Games. जो स्पोर्ट्समैन हैं अलग अलग देश के, वो सारे ओलंपिक गेम्स खेलने के लिए आते हैं. A number of events are held. बहुत अलग अलग तरीके के स्पोर्ट्स होते हैं. A number of events are held. There are games, athletics events like high jump, long jump, running, gymnastic events, swimming. जैसे कि स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर अलग अलग गेम्स के कॉम्पिटिशन्स होते हैं. एथलेटिक इवेंट्स भी होते हैं जैसे कि हाई जंप, लॉन्ग जंप, रनिंग, जिम्नास्टिक इवेंट्स और स्विमिंग. So students, now I am going to show you the example so that you can understand each and every game. So students, by looking to the picture, it's a long jump, right? Now students, by looking to the picture, it's a high jump. Students, this is a diving. And the last, it's a picture I'm showing you. Now this is the last picture, it's a swimming, etc. There are many more games are there. Got it students? So, as I told you, and diving competition, boxing and wrestling, matches and many other things. So students, in this lesson we are going to see the game, it is wrestling. Got it students? Students, the winners are given gold, silver and bronze medals. Students, जैसे कि ओलंपिक गेम्स में जो विनर होते हैं उन्हें गोल्ड, सिल्वर और ब्रॉन्ज मेडल दिए जाते हैं. So, an Olympic medal is an honor. Means जिसे ओलंपिक मेडल मिलता है स्टूडेंट्स, उसे हम सम्मान देते हैं. वो बहुत ही सम्मान की बात है. An Olympic medal is an honor. An Olympic winner is considered to be a world champion. और पूरी दुनिया में जिसे ये ऑनर मिलता है, जिसे मीन्स मेडल मिलता है, वो वर्ल्ड चैम्पियन कहलाता है. Got it students? So students, we had completed the very first stanza, means the very first paragraph. Now move to the next. Few Indians have won Olympic medals so far. The first person to win a medal for independent India was a wrestler from Maharashtra. His name was Kasaba Jadhav. So now students, this second paragraph tells us that few Indians have won Olympic medals so far. For example students, now I am going to say the names, those who have got the Olympic medals. So students, as I told you, few Indians have won Olympic medals so far. For example, now students, let's see who had got the Olympic medals from India. Let's see now. I am saying some examples. Mary Kom, bronze medal. Abhinav Bindra, gold medal. Saina Nehwal, bronze medal. Langer Pace, bronze medal. Sushil Kumar, silver medal. So students, this name is not written in your textbook. Just I am giving you some example. Those who have got the Olympic medals. Got it students? As I told you, few Indians have won Olympic medals so far. हमारे इंडिया में भी बहुत लोग को गोल्ड मेडल मिला है, मीन्स ओलंपिक मेडल्स मिले हैं, राइट? Many of them won Olympic medals. The first person to win a medal for independent India was a wrestler from Maharashtra. Students, इंडिया को सबसे पहला मेडल मिला है किसमें? रेसलिंग में. रेसलिंग मीन्स दंगल, राइट? और वी कैन से पहलवान, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? No. The first person to win a medal from India was the wrestler from Maharashtra. तो स्टूडेंट्स, महाराष्ट्र कहाँ है? इंडिया में. तो हमारे इंडिया से जो एक व्यक्ति है उसे मिला था मेडल, और किस में मिला था? रेसलिंग में. और वो कहाँ से थे? महाराष्ट्र से थे. अब वो कौन थे? लेट्स सी. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज द मैप ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. ये मैप कौन सा है? महाराष्ट्र का मैप है. हिज नेम वॉज खसबा जादव. सो स्टूडेंट्स, खसबा जादव वॉज अ रेसलर. जो खसबा जादव है वो कौन है? पहलवान है. और वो क्या करते थे? वो कुश्ती लड़ते थे. गॉट इट स्टूडेंट्स? So students, I hope everyone understood that the very first person to win a medal from India was a Kasaba Jadhav. And in which game he got the medal? Yes, it's a wrestler. So students, Kasaba Jadhav को मेडल मिला था, ओलंपिक मेडल्स. और किस में मिला था? रेसलिंग में. रेसलिंग मीन्स व्हाट? कुश्ती में. क्योंकि वो कौन थे? वो रेसलर थे. रेसलर मीन्स पहलवान थे, राइट? सो स्टूडेंट्स, बाय लुकिंग टू द पिक्चर, यस, यू कैन ऑब्जर्व दिस इज द कसबा जादव. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप everyone understood the first and the second paragraph, right? Now students, I am going to read the third paragraph. Everyone just put the finger where I am reading. Got it students? Or you can use a pencil also to point out the words. So here, Kasaba Jadhav was born in a very poor family in a village called Goleshwar in Satara district. But it was a family that loved sport, especially wrestling. His father, Dada Saheb, was himself a wrestler. He had 5 sons. The youngest of them was Khasaba Dada Saheb. Himself taught his son wrestling. They were all very good at it, but the best among them was Khasaba. Now students, this third paragraph tells us that Kasaba Jadhav was born in a very poor family in a village called Goleshwar in Satara district. Students, जो कसबा जादव थे वो बहुत ही गरीब घराने के थे, राइट? स्टूडेंट्स, वो कहाँ रहते थे और कहाँ पैदा हुए थे? वो पैदा हुए थे सतारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट में. सतारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट में एक जगह है, छोटी सी जगह, मीन्स वी कैन से एज अ विलेज, गोलेश्वर, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? एक गोलेश्वर करके गांव है, वो कहाँ है? सतारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है. गॉट इट स्टूडेंट्स? वहाँ पर कसबा जादव बॉर्न हुए मीन्स पैदा हुए. और कसबा जादव बहुत ही गरीब घराने के थे. Khasaba Jadhav was born in a very poor family in a village called Goleshwar in Satara district. But it was a family that loved sport, स्पेशली रेसलिंग। स्टूडेंट्स, जो कसबा जादव के जो परिवार थे उन्हें स्पोर्ट्स बहुत ही पसंद था और स्पोर्ट्स में सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद क्या था? रेसलिंग। रेसलिंग मीन्स कुश्ती, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? His father, Dada Saheb, was himself a wrestler. स्टूडेंट्स, कसबा जादव के जो डैडी थे, डैडी का नाम क्या है? दादा साहेब। वो खुद एक रेसलर थे। He had 5 sons. The youngest of them was Kasaba. स्टूडेंट्स, दादा साहेब को कितने बच्चे थे? 5 लड़के। सन्स मीन्स लड़का। तो जो दादा साहेब थे उनको 5 लड़के थे और जो सबसे छोटा लड़का था वो था कसबा जादव। दादा साहेब himself taught his sons wrestling. जो दादा साहेब थे वो खुद ही अपने बच्चों को कुश्ती लड़ना सिखाते थे। दादा साहेब himself taught his sons wrestling, as I told you. दादा साहेब खुद ही अपने बच्चों को कुश्ती लड़ना सिखाते थे क्योंकि वो भी एक कुश्ती ही करते थे, मीन्स वो भी एक पहलवान थे। They were all very good as it, but the best among them was Kasaba. स्टूडेंट्स, दादा साहेब के 5 बच्चे बहुत ही अच्छा करते थे। क्या? रेसलिंग। बट जो सबसे अच्छा बेस्ट था और वो कौन था? कसबा जादव, जो घर में सबसे ज़्यादा छोटे थे। राइट स्टूडेंट्स? तो यहाँ कहा गया है कि जो दादा साहेब हैं उनके 5 बच्चे थे और 5 बच्चों को रेसलिंग कौन सिखाता था? दादा साहेब। 5 बच्चों में से जो सबसे छोटा बच्चा था वो है कसबा जादव और वो रेसलिंग में बहुत ही बेस्ट थे। Got it students? So I hope everyone understood till the 3rd paragraph, right? Okay. Now move to the next. So here the 4th paragraph. From an early age, Kasaba loved to watch wrestling bouts. His father took him to see the bouts from time he was just 4 years old. He would sit on his father's shoulders and watch the bouts. At 10, he was the youngest to get into the akhada. Soon it became clear that he was also the best, not only in his own akhada but in the whole area. Now students, this paragraph indicates that so students, from an early age, Kasaba loved to watch wrestling bouts. Students, bouts means match. So here, from the childhood, कसबा जादव liked to watch what? Wrestling. बचपन से ही कसबा जादव को बहुत पसंद था wrestling मैच देखना। His father took him to see the bouts from the time he was just 4 years old. So when Kasaba Jadhav was 4 years old, from that time Kasaba Jadhav was watching wrestling match. Got it students? Students, जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, कसबा जादव के जो फादर है दादा साहेब, यस यू कैन सी ओवर हियर, दादा साहेब, इन्होंने कसबा जादव को शोल्डर में जस्ट लिया है, यस, और वो दोनों क्या कर रहे हैं? मैच देख रहे हैं। कौन सा मैच? रेसलिंग मैच। बस मीन्स कुश्ती का मैच, वो दोनों देख रहे। कौन? दादा साहेब एज वेल एज कसबा जादव। When कसबा जादव was only 4 years old that time, उस समय में कसबा जादव कितने साल के थे? सिर्फ 4 साल के थे। राइट स्टूडेंट्स? Now, he will sit on his father's shoulder and watch the bouts. So here Kasaba Jadhav sit on his father's shoulder. And what Kasaba Jadhav is doing? Yes, Kasaba Jadhav is watching the match. Students, जैसे कि यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो, दादा साहेब ने कसबा जादव को अपने कंधों पर बिठाया है, राइट, जब वो 4 साल के थे। तो उस उम्र से ही कसबा जादव रेसलिंग का मैच देखते थे, मीन्स कुश्ती देखते थे, राइट। At 10, he was the youngest to get into the akhada. Students, akhada means the place where wrestling is held, right? Students, जब कसबा जादव 10 साल के थे, राइट, इतनी छोटी उम्र में ही उन्होंने अखाड़ा में रेसलिंग स्टार्ट किया। मीन्स क्या किया? रेसलिंग का मैच स्टार्ट किया। Soon it becomes clear that he was also the best, not only in his own akhada but in the whole area. So here, students, Kasaba Jadhav was the best in wrestling. Everyone know that. It is clear that Kasaba Jadhav was the best, not only in his own akhada but in the whole area. जैसे कि स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर कसबा जादव बेस्ट थे किसमें? रेसलिंग में। अपने खुद के अखाड़ा में नहीं, पूरे एरिया में, वो गांव में, फुल एरिया में वो बहुत फेमस थे। किस चीज़ के लिए? रेसलिंग के लिए। इतनी छोटी उम्र में इतना अच्छा वो मैच खेलते थे, रेसलिंग का मैच। So students, I hope everyone understood, right, till the 4th paragraph. Now students, the remaining part we will continue in the next lecture. And students, one more important point, the chapter number 7, Kasaba Jadhav, the explanation part I had divided into 3 parts. So today we had studied the very first part. Got it students? Now the second part we are going to study in the next lecture. So students, if you have any doubt, you can call me or WhatsApp me on my personal number. So students, thank you for watching the video.